Is it good to use G80 spacers? Quality G80 spacers are good to use as long as we install them correctly. The G80 spacers can be installed as aftermarket part between the hub assembly and the wheel. High-quality G80 spacers can help your vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including cosmetic changes, brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, better handling, and more. G80 spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheels to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The length of the vehicle will be fuller, giving it an aggressive and track-filled appearance. Installing G80 spacers is a great way to fix wrong offset rubbing problems that install between the wheel hubs and the wheels, pushing the wheels and tires out a few millimeters. Because of the increased inner wheel clearance, you are less limited to aftermarket brake and wheel options. These G80 spacers are helpful in preventing larger rims and wider tires from rubbing against the suspension components. There are performance benefits to upgrading with G80 spacers. Using G80 spacers allows us to install aftermarket wheels that don't exactly match the car's specifications, and then we don't have to buy another set of wheels. Being a high-end wheel spacer company, it is sure that the designs are exquisite and geared toward improved performance and aesthetics. The main advantage of the BONOSS G80 spacers is the lightweight plus and the FT cooling. The benefits of the lightweight plus design are that the hollow design is further optimized based on traditional G80 spacers. It is an effective design that can reduce weight and energy consumption and improving handling while ensuring safety and reliability.